Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. The Shark Navigator Liftaway NV352 is an upright vacuum cleaner that makes a powerful promise, delivering professional-grade cleaning for pet hair, carpets, and hard floors without that professional-grade price tag. Many vacuums claim this, but today, we're dissecting if the NV352 truly lives up to that impressive challenge and if it's genuinely worth your hard-earned money and valuable cleaning time. So, let's unpack what the Shark Navigator Liftaway NV352 actually is. At its core, it's a highly versatile, corded upright vacuum cleaner, expertly engineered by Shark, a brand universally celebrated for its innovative, user-friendly, and incredibly effective home cleaning solutions. This isn't just a basic dirt sucker, it's conceived as a comprehensive, all-in-one solution tailored for a myriad of cleaning demands. This includes deep pile carpets, delicate hard floors, and critically, for homes frequently battling persistent pet hair and circulating allergens that compromise air quality. The NV352 aims to directly address common household pain points like embedded grime, stubborn pet fur, and respiratory irritants, by providing a powerful, adaptable, and intuitive cleaning experience designed to leave your home noticeably cleaner, fresher, and healthier with minimal fuss and maximum efficiency, ensuring every surface sparkles. Let's meticulously explore the specific features that truly set the Shark Navigator NV352 apart from its multitude of competitors and explain precisely why each one offers tangible, life-improving benefits to you, the diligent homeowner, making your cleaning task significantly easier and more effective. First up, the truly revolutionary liftaway technology. This isn't merely a marketing buzzword, it's the vacuum's most distinctive and practical superpower, fundamentally altering how you approach whole home cleaning. With a simple, ergonomic press of a button, the primary cleaning canister detaches effortlessly from the main upright body. This instantaneously transforms your robust, full-size upright vacuum into a lightweight, highly portable canister vacuum. Why is this functionality so incredibly crucial for your cleaning routine? It grants you unparalleled flexibility and reach. Imagine the sheer ease of thoroughly cleaning stairs without lugging the entire unit, effortlessly tackling pet hair and dust on upholstery, reaching high shelves, intricate curtain folds, or even meticulously detailing the interior of your car, all without the struggle of a cumbersome, single-form machine. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.